If you want to use Shadowrocket on your macOS, Windows PC, Android, or an iPhone, or maybe you want to use these same proxies on Clash app, then you are at the right place. You can use these proxies on any of your devices, no matter you are in China or elsewhere in the world. Not only these apps, but there are dozens of other clients that can handle these proxies on all of the devices. So what you need to do, first of all, go to the link in the description of this video and also in the pinned comment and click on that link, and after that register with any of your email ID, set a password, and my initial coupon code is already given here. If you go through the link, you will get this discount code. Once you log in this website, the interface is very clean. Now go to purchase a subscription. Here are lots of different packages. You can always go to English or the other languages listed here. Now you can subscribe to any of these packages and use ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Netflix, or you want to watch some videos or YouTube, streaming, gaming, any of them. And here you will see the buying cycle. You can choose basic plans and premium or free package. For this one, you can use my coupon code as well, but later on we gotta talk about it. And you can select all of them. Now choose any package. For example, subscribe now, this one. It will bring you to this interface, and here is the actual deal. Here you can use my coupon code for any discount, which is same as my YouTube channel name, AttiqueStic, and verify now. You will see 41 RMB gone. So after that, you can just go to pay now, and here you can choose Alipay, WeChat, USDT. This is BEP20 if you are already using Forex or Binance, you already know that. And you can also use TRC20 if you don't have Alipay or WeChat method. And you can also ask my help if you are in my personal contacts. I can help you for that as well. Select the payment method and then go to checkout. After that, it will generate a QR code. Just scan this QR code on Alipay or whatever the method you have chosen and then pay. After you pay, go back to your dashboard and you will see your quick subscription here. And after that, you need to click on quick subscription and look at the apps that can handle these proxies. Number one is you can copy URL and paste it on any of the apps on any device. You can use Clash Meta, Hidify, Signbox, Shadowrocket, Quantum ULTX, Surge, or Stash. Any of these apps. If you already have Shadowrocket, you can export directly to Shadowrocket or Clash Verge here, but I gotta guide you about the manual method. Just copy the subscription URL. Now open Shadowrocket, go to the plus icon. In front of type, choose subscribe as I do, then paste the URL here, hit on save button. Once you do that, it will import all these proxies here. You can always go to connectivity test and choose the lowest ping value, then go to global routing. If you are in China, you can use these two methods, config and proxy. I always use proxy. And now choose any server, for example United Kingdom, and here is the connect button. Simply connect that. You already copied the subscription link. Now go to Clash, click on profile, and in the box of profile URL, just paste the URL you just copied, then click on import. It will immediately import this profile here. I have multiple profiles. This is for VPN 07. The video link is in the description and this card as well. So mine is Orymi selected. Now go to proxy, choose global, and here is the refresh button. Just refresh and it will show you all the green ping values. I'm already connected to this VPN, that's why you see these orange values. For this VPN, link is also in the description and you will see this video in the end screen as well. So you can choose any server and connect. One important thing on Clash Verge you need to do, go to setting and turn on system proxy because it is necessary, and whatever version of Clash you're using, make sure this number is 7897. So you're good to go. You are connected now. You can see the traffic here. So if you are connected to any other VPN, disconnect that one because it will interfere. In the same way, you can import these proxies on iOS, Linux, Windows PC Clash app, Android Clash app, or Shadowrocket on iOS or Clash Verge. On iPhone, you can use Clash Plus app. It is available free of cost. Go to the plus icon, go to URL, paste that URL, same URL. If you don't have Shadowrocket, then use this app. Now import. Once you import, it will import the Orymi nodes and proxies. Just choose that one, go to refresh, and you will see all the ping values. After that, choose any of them, go back and connect on your iPhone. This app is absolutely stunning great. Oh, by the way, way, if you want to get the free subscription with my coupon code, I got you covered. Go to purchase subscription, choose the last package, use this coupon code, AttiqueStic-free, verify, and all the money is gone. Now you can follow the same process. For any renewal or any package, always use AttiqueStic as a coupon code. You will always get discount. So that's it. Thanks me later. Subscribe. Why you're so mean to subscribe? Just do it. Yes, do it. Bye.